Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO F5. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Then on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by selecting OK. Finally, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on POCO, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. By tapping on all of those categories located at the top, you'll be able to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. In my case, this one photo. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue and pick the best connection way. So when I click and select Got it, I can see that I can input this key or scan the QR code. If you want to use the QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on POCO. Then select While using or Only this time and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key into Input key section, you can connect by tapping on Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!